bit different. I am in my new office, which is really exciting. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I was doing some renovations this weekend, and I finally moved up here. This isn't gonna be my set background for the next while. I may still film downstairs. I will mostly be filming here, but I'm gonna be filling out some space, so it won't just be a plain white wall, because I know I'm gonna get bored of that. You probably will get bored of that. But anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna do something that was requested by you guys. If you follow me on Instagram again, which if you aren't, it is Aysha Harun at Aysha Harun. I would love it if you followed me over there. But you would have seen that I got my first designer bag, and I got a Chanel bag, and I haven't opened this since I got it. So this is gonna be like a full kind of unboxing and then mini like initial review basically. I have never purchased from Chanel before. I've never purchased like a designer bag before, and I had thought about it for a while because I have my backpack, my Rebecca Minkoff backpack, but I literally use that for everything, like fancy or not, and it's just not socially acceptable to wear a backpack in some situations. So I figured I wanted to get a really good quality piece that would last me however long I want to keep it for, and that is a good investment piece too. And Chanel's are honestly really good investment pieces because the value always goes up. So if you do ever want to sell it in the future, then it's a good, you'll get like your money's worth basically. So I've also always had like a love affair with France and Chanel and just Paris basically. I'm not one to throw my money around. I'm really good with saving, and I don't really buy expensive stuff often. So this was just a little bit of a treat. So this video was totally inspired by Habiba De Silva. If you guys don't follow her, you definitely should. She unboxed like her Gucci bag, and I thought it was a fun idea. I know when I was searching for a bag, I was literally watching so many videos, so many unboxings, so many reviews on the different styles that I wanted, and they were very helpful to me. But anyways, if this is your first time checking me out, definitely be sure to subscribe down below. I'd love it if you join the family. I feel like I don't really need to put a disclaimer because if you guys know me, you obviously know I do not brag about anything. I'm not bragging in this video, I'm literally just sharing my excitement. And a lot of you guys were requesting this on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the bag that it came in. I think it's attached by like a sticker or something, but it's super cute. I will definitely be keeping this bag. And then they like put a bow over here. Not that this is important, but I have the receipt. It comes in like the little flap thing. So I will keep this because in case I do ever decide to sell it, which I don't think I will because I really love this. You know, I have the receipt and everything. So this is the box that it came in. You may be able to tell what type of bag I got just by looking at it. So I'm gonna just open that up, and moment of truth. Ugh, there we go. Okay, so we open this up, and then this isn't like real time for me because I don't even know what this stuff comes with, but it comes with a dust bag. So the bag comes inside of a dust bag like this, and then it has, I don't know what this is. This could be like directions on how to clean it or something. And then here is the dust bag, super cute. And moment of truth, what bag did I get? Look at it, it's so cute. Okay guys, so this is what the bag looks like. Hopefully it will focus. Okay, there we go. So this is the bag that I got. It is a walk, so a wallet on chain, but this is a specific design. This is the boy wallet on chain. I looked at both the wallet on chain. I looked at the actual boy bag, like the bigger ones, and the smaller size of the boy bag, and I just wasn't a fan of how bulky it was. So when I saw this, I just like instantly fell in love, and it was definitely fate because I had asked her if she had the silver, and she said, no, we are sold out of the silver, we only have gold. So she gave me the gold, and I'm not a huge fan of the matte gold. It looks very like cheap, like something you would find at like Forever 21, like that sort of thing. And for a Chanel bag, like a real Chanel bag, I don't think you should be feeling that way about it. But then when she was rummaging around, she's like, oh wait, she's like, we have one more silver bag left, like the matte silver. And I literally like almost lost it. And I knew in that moment I was probably gonna walk out of there with this bag. And I'm just so obsessed. So I got the caviar leather, which is more, It's more like grainy, as you can see. Like I have to stand up for this, but it's more grainy. It has like a nice texture to it. And then it has these like rims around it basically. So this is what it looks like. And then again, I got it in the matte silver. So when you open this up, it comes with this little thing, which I think is like you can put it on here to protect the leather from like scratching and stuff, because I hear if you close this down, like sometimes it can scratch. I'm just gonna move my chair up closer. How about that? There we go. So yeah, that is what it looks like. And then it has the chain attached, of course. It's quite long. I don't know how many inches it is, but it's quite a long chain. But I'll show you guys like after this initial clip, like what the different ways you can wear it are. Does that make any sense? I don't know. But the chain isn't detachable, but you could just kind of like put it in if you want to use it without the chain. So in here it has two little compartments. It has one larger one, and you can put like your cards and everything like that, which is very convenient. It has this little area, which I assume you could put like cash or like your checkbook. Who really carries a checkbook anymore? I think that's like an old day thing. But it has that, and then it has like a little coin purse. I don't know if it's meant to be a coin purse, but that's most likely what I'm gonna be using it as. And then in here, it has the authentication, is that a word? The authenticity card, which it has like the number and everything on the back as well. So, and then it has like a little insert here. So it's quite a small bag, but I'm not one to carry a lot of things. Like honestly, I usually just have my wallet with me, which is honestly just a card holder. It's a YSL card holder with the same caviar leather. So I love that they kind of match, even though they're different brands. I'm gonna turn the lighting back up. I'm not sure if I can find a link to this. This is actually the Spring 2018 collection boy bag. So since it's a seasonal bag, they change the designs like every season. Which is awesome because then you won't have like a ton of people with the exact same bag as you. They'll just be slightly different. So I know at one point they had like a chevron print with just like stripes basically. I really like that this is like the classic quilted design, but it's almost like masculine. That's why they call it like the boy bag. So I just love everything about this. Like this is me in a bag. It's very understated. The CCs aren't like screaming at you. And you can still hold quite a bit. So I will just like put my phone in here just so you guys can see. So I have like quite a large phone. I have the 7 Plus, and I will show you. This fits like perfectly inside of it. And it does kind of like, if you see over here, it does open up a little so you can add more things in here. Yeah, that is basically the unboxing. I don't know what else I have to touch on. This is what what are these called? The chain. This is what the chain looks like. So it has like the leather inside, and it's just like quilted with the matte. It's almost like a gunmetal silver. So as you can see, like the C's over here is kind of like a gunmetal. Okay, so this is the bag just on my shoulder. So I didn't like do anything else other than just put it onto my shoulder. And mind you, I am 5'4", 5'3.5". So it hits me like right underneath my butt. So if you're taller, it'll probably hit you like around here, which is still a very comfortable place to hit you. But if you are quite short, this might be kind of long. As a crossbody bag, which is probably how I'm gonna wear it most, that is what it looks like. So it hits me a little bit higher. Still very comfortable. It's very light, like I don't feel it on me, which is great. The next way that you can wear it to make it shorter, say for example, if you are a little shorter, all you have to do is kind of like fold this one side and then cross this back the other way. Hopefully that made sense. And then you have like a shorter strap like this. So if you do that, then it hits you like that. So anytime I wear it on my shoulder this way, I'll probably have to do that just so it's a little bit shorter. This would probably be a good way to hold it like if you're traveling, just so you have it like right under your arm. How did she do this at the store? I think she wrapped it around like this. So she wrapped it around, yeah, she wrapped it around once. And then you have this strap over here, like at the top. You can see this strap at the top and it's a little bit higher. I kind of like my way better. I think you can, okay, so you just kind of like fold it up like this. And then you can hold it like that. So if you wanted, you could just like hold it that way, or on your shoulder, or not, this is my elbow, on your elbow like this. with the double strap, and then you can also put it under here if you want as well. I personally hate when people carry their purse like this. It's like so awkward. And then wear it as a clutch as well, just like that. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this today for the first time. So once again, here's the bag. It's the boy bag, the boy wallet on chain. In the matte silver, and this is the spring 2018 collection. So guys, that's it for this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I gotta thank God real quick, okay, for just blessing me, and alhamdulillah, I'm able to save up for things like this and, you know, treat myself. Just make sure you work hard, you pray, and you work hard. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm just so in love with this bag, like, mashallah, it is a work of art. I love it. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you in my next one. Hopefully by then this background will not be as plain. And sorry about the echo as well, but that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!